So if you are wondering how I can mail or email a whole folder to a person, here's how to do it. First of all, you need to select the folder and then simply right click on your mouse and then simply go with the show more option. And then from here, you'll probably see like 7ZIP option. Or if you don't get this option, all you're gonna do simply go with the send to option, and then you will pretty much get the compressed zip folder. All right, so you will probably see this option, so you need to tap on that, and then as you can see, we got a compressed folder. So that's it. Now you need to go and open up Gmail or email, anything you like. You need to open it up, then simply go with the compose, then select an email that you want to send to a person. Then you need to attach the zip file. All right, so for that reason you need to go with the attach files. Now I have saved the compressed file in the desktop, so I will go with the desktop, and then as you can see, here is the compressed zip file. So I will select this one and simply tap on open, and now as you can see, we got this. So that's how you can send a email with a folder. All right, so hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you pretty next time. Peace out.